In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Etsy and seamlessly sell on Etsy with your Wix store in 2025. Whether you're running an online business or just starting out, connecting these two platforms can help streamline your operations and increase your sales potential. So, let's dive right in and get started with the integration process. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, locate the section labeled Setup. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to get everything up and running. If you're not entirely sure where to find it, don't worry, it's usually visible right on your main navigation panel within the dashboard. Now that you've opened the Setup section, the next step is to click on Apps. This area is your gateway to the variety of apps Wix offers that can enhance your website's functionality. The apps section is particularly important for integrating external platforms like Etsy. With the apps area open, your next move is to click on Manage Apps. This section allows you to see all the apps you've already installed and those you might want to add. It gives you control over customizing and managing app-related features for your store. Once you're in Manage Apps, look for and click on Go to App Market. The App Market is where you'll find various applications compatible with your Wix store. From here, it's as simple as searching for the right tool to facilitate the integration. When you're in the app market, type Etsy integration into the search bar. This step is crucial to finding the specific app that will allow you to connect your Wix store with your Etsy shop. The search function is straightforward, so you should see relevant options almost immediately. Now, from the search results, look for the app titled Sell on Etsy and click on it. This app is specifically designed to help you list and manage your Etsy sales directly from your Wix store. It streamlines the process, enabling you to handle tasks more efficiently. Finally, you'll want to add this app to your site by clicking on Add to Site. This action initiates the installation process, which usually only takes a few minutes. Once complete, this app will be accessible from your dashboard, ready to assist you with listing your products and managing sales on Etsy. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to integrate Wix with Etsy. This integration not only enhances your store's functionality, but also broadens your reach to potential buyers on Etsy. Feel free to explore other features and tweak settings within the app to tailor the experience to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!